Hi and welcome to the section 4 of diving into Java Server Faces API video course named Java Server Faces Factories. In this section, we are going to take a look to the headlines of Java Server Faces Factories. We will cover different topics about default and custom factories. Now we move on to the first video of this section and we will discuss about the default factories. Okay, so after a quick introduction, we will see the techniques for accessing several kind of Java Server Faces default factories. Well, in case you didn't know, Java Server Faces comes with a bunch of factories that hides complex implementations behind the scene. Via these factories, Java Server Faces serve a significant number of artifacts, such as validators, converters, renderers, and so on. While these factories act in a silent mode, we can actually interact with them. We can modify them, replace them, and so on and forth. For start, it is important to know that Java Server Faces initializes factories via the Factory Finder class. This class implements the standard discovery algorithms for all factory objects specified in the Java Server Faces API. This can be a very useful information when we want to wrap a standard factory from Java Server Faces, because Factory Finder will pass in the previously known factory, usually the built-in one. So factory instances are obtained as you can see in this snippet of code. For example, RenderKit factory can be found using the following code. Next to the constant that identifies RenderKit factory, we have constants for other factories as well. Here it is the list and the corresponding factories that we can obtain. We can even access some factories without using the corresponding constant and factory finder. For example, we can access the expression factory via facelets context and the validator factory via validation. So we can conclude that Java Server Faces provides a powerful API that we can use to access its default factories.